tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an ultra-realistic 3D walking hoodie mockup using your 2D designs. 3D mockups are a great way to market your clothing brand and stand out from the crowd. Start by heading over to blender.org, here you can download the software. It is completely free. Make sure to select the correct version from the drop-down for your computer. Next, head over to the link in the description and download the 3D walking hoodie mockup. Unzip the mockup folder, open up the folder. Here you will be presented with a Photoshop file. Open it and you will see different sections of a hoodie spread across a page. Each part is clearly labeled. Hide the information layer and drag and drop your designs onto the Photoshop document. Place your designs in the position you would like them to show on the mockup. Next, unhide the t-shirt color layer. The color this layer is correlates directly with the color the base of your garment will be. To change the color of this layer, left-click this background, press A on your keyboard, and select the color you wish your t-shirt to be. Everything is now set up perfectly. Go to File and press Save. Open up the download folder and you will see a Blender file. Double-click it to open the file. Once Blender has opened, you will be presented with a blank hoodie. Before we preview your designs, we need to change some settings. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then System and choose your GPU. If your computer doesn't have one, you can leave it as it is. Change the render engine to Cycles and device to GPU Compute. Again, if your computer doesn't have a GPU, you can leave the device as it is. To preview your designs on the hoodie, press this icon. You can scroll through the timeline to see how your designs look on different parts of the hoodie. If you would like to change your design on the hoodie, simply go back to the Photoshop file and make the change. Save the file and go back to Blender. Select these two icons to refresh your design. In the top right-hand side of the screen, you can see there are a series of cameras. Select the green icon next to the camera to activate it. As you can see, the front and back cameras show one angle with the walking animation, and the rotating cameras is animated 360 around the hoodie. To activate the 3D environment, simply select these icons next to background. You might find you would like the light to be brighter once you have activated the background. To do this, simply select the light. Select this icon and increase the strength. You can also change the color of the background. To do this, select the background, select the shader icon, and then change the base color. You can change the resolution of your animation here. Go to Output and select the folder icon to choose where to save your animation to. By default, the mockup is set to export a transparent PNG sequence. This is so that you can add a custom background to your animation. To do this, you'll need a program like After Effects or Premiere Pro. If you don't, you can export straight to video by changing file format to FFmpeg and encoding container to MPEG-4. Finally, go to Render and then Render Animation and watch as your computer creates an incredible 3D animation of your product. The render process can take a few hours depending on your computer, so I'd recommend leaving the program running and comping back to it later. Do not close the render window until all frames have exported. 3D mockups could be just what you need to sell out that first drop or level up an already established brand. If this video has provided value to you, please leave a like and subscribe.